We will be practicing the scientific method with an arm strength lab at home. Okay, notice that in the directions it wants you to fill in your lab with blue ink. So if you're writing with a pen or whatever, you go ahead and use blue ink. If you're typing, go ahead and use blue text. Okay. Our problem today is, can you hold a shoe longer with your left or right hand? Hypothesis. A hypothesis is always an if-then statement. If I do this, then this is what I think will happen. Okay, so we have, if I hold my right and left arms out straight with a shoe in each, then I will be able to hold the shoe longer with my, and this is where you have to put left or right arm. I'm going to hypothesize that my assistant here, Tommy, is going to hold it longer with his right arm. Don't skip this next part. It says now you're going to rewrite the hypothesis. I basically gave it to you this time because we're learning. But now that you've written it, now you need to rewrite it in your own handwriting. The next part of our scientific method is procedure. This is where we write step by step what we do. Our procedure, you can read it yourself, but basically you're gathering your shoes or boots that you're going to use. You're finding a timer. You're starting that timer and putting your arms out and just seeing how long you can hold them out. You're going to repeat this 4 times, which means you're going to have a total of 5 trials. So we have a table down here. Here's trials 1 through 5. Your left arm time and your right arm time, okay? Because we can't just tell from one trial. We got to do it a few times to see if we can come up with some accurate results. All right, here is my assistant, Tommy.
Hello.
And I am going to set a timer here. And when I say go, he's going to put his arms out, just like you will do at home. And we'll see how long he can hold them.
Okay,
Ready,
here we go.
Set, go. All right, he's got his arms out straight. No bending of the elbows. And see how long he can do this.
Ugh.
You want to make sure you're using kind of heavy shoes, because if you use really light shoes, you'll be able to do this for a long time, and you're taking a long time to do the lab. Nope, hold them out steady. Once you can't hold them anymore, you just got to drop that arm.
Okay.
Do the arms feel the same?
They feel hard. Ow! No!
Okay. All right. So he got 43 seconds on his left arm and like 44 seconds on his right arm. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 43 seconds. This time, Tommy, I want you to go ahead and drop the arm when you have to, but keep the other arm up as long as you can. Okay. Let's do it one more time.
Okay.
Here we go. Let me restart our timer. Again, this time, what I'd like to see you do is if one arm has to drop, that's okay, but see if you can keep the other arm up longer.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. All right. We're at 10 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Ugh.
It gets harder and harder, doesn't it?
Yes. I already did this like 4 times and my arms are so tired.
We're at 30 seconds. Let's see how long you can go this time.
Like as long as I can go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh no, it bad. Oh.
Okay, so 46 seconds on the left arm. Quite a bit longer in your right arm this time.
Yeah. Oh, it hurts. Hurts bad. No, no, ow! Oh!
All right, you
Oh,
got
it hurt.
a minute and 12 seconds, which is actually 72 seconds. All right, and so I'm not going to keep demoing all these, but you need to go ahead and do 5 trials. And then under analyze the results, you need to tell me kind of what occurred. So if all 5 times your right arm held it longer than your left, then you would write that. In all 5 trials, I was able to hold the shoe longer with my right arm than my left arm. Maybe it was all over the place. Maybe your results said, well, sometimes I held it longer with my left arm and sometimes I held it longer with my right arm. So whatever you can gather data-wise from this, you would put here. Under drawing conclusions, this is when we say whether our hypothesis was correct or incorrect. So you're either going to put the word correct here or incorrect here. And then it says you have a restatement of your hypothesis, which is a if then. If I hold my right and left arm straight with a shoe in each, then I will be able to hold the shoe longer with my, and this is where you need to put the correct answer in. What did the data tell you? Okay. All right, I hope you have fun with the lab.